Welcome guys, and in this video I'm going to show you how I can fix AOC Monitor no signal. So it is pretty simple and easy to do. So what we'll need to do is basically find these buttons right here, where you see the menu button, as you can see, and you will need to use that menu button later on, because now I can't basically show you, but you will need to turn off your monitor with your power cable. So basically I will go to my outlet and just unplug my monitor, and then when I will plug the monitor I will need to hold this menu button. So I will show you how it's done. So as you can see, I did turn off and unplugged my monitor. So now what I will need to do is hold the menu button, as you can see. Let me focus it, this one, and then just while turning on I need to hold it, and it should bring your monitor to life. And after that your OCD should pop up, and just click exit. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you fix AOC Monitor no signal. If that doesn't work, what you can try is changing your HDMI or DisplayPort cable. So that's pretty much it, guys, and see you in the next one.